The first question asks about the definition of ABA. So I'll answer according to the 7 dimensions of ABA. The first dimension is that it's applied. So everything we do in ABA is socially significant. One example is decreasing behaviors such as like public urination for kids who have autism and do this in public. The second dimension is behavioral. So these behaviors must be measured, must be measurable. We have to focus on what a person does. The third dimension is analytical or analytic. So experimenters or behavior analysts must have control over behavior. They must manipulate the environment to do this. The fourth dimension of ABA is technological. So behavior must be clearly defined. Let's say everyone in a family who's getting services must observe the behavior according to the same definition. The fifth dimension is conceptually systematic. This means that procedures that behavior analysts use, or anyone, even the therapists use, the ABA therapists must line up with ABA principles so that we're actually implementing our discipline. So the sixth dimension is effective. What we do, should it improve behavior? We should see change. The seventh dimension is generality. So behavior change must be demonstrated in numerous environments across different people, and it must last over time. So the second question is how ABA is used to impact behaviors. How is it useful? So I've seen that a lot of language can be improved. The kids who I've worked with are able to communicate their desires and needs, because we all have that. We all need things like going to the bathroom. We need to be able to communicate this to people. Well, children need to communicate this to their parents. Number 2, I've seen that it's improved safety for kids, de-escalating behaviors that are not desired. Number 3, I've seen that it teaches basic concepts, like language concepts, like simple sounds, and from this, kids are able to use simple sounds as building blocks to learn more complicated sounds and develop their language.